The moon is rising in the quiet sky, a softer world as the days pass by. From dawn to dusk we learn to wait with patient hearts and steady faith. Empty hands but spirits full, every fast a lesson learned in whispered prayers and sleepless nights. Our broken souls return to light. When hunger speaks, we choose to care. When weakness comes, we stand in prayer. Ramadan, oh month of light, guide our hearts through darkest nights. Teach us love, teach us to give, remind us why we live. Ramadan, sacred time, mercy written in every sign. In your peace we finally see who we're meant to be. A table shared, a humble meal, gratitude is what we feel. Every tear, every regret was never wasted, never meant. Forgiveness flows like gentle rain, washing fear, releasing pain. In every soul a chance to start a cleaner mind, a softer heart. From Suhoor dreams to iftar grace, we find you in each moment's pace. Ramadan, oh month of light, guide our hearts through darkest nights. Teach us love, teach us to give, remind us why we live. Ramadan, sacred time, mercy written in every sign. In your peace we finally see who we're meant to be. Hands raised high, we're not alone. Every prayer is coming home. If we fall, we rise again with hope stronger than our pain. Ramadan, stay in our soul when the moon has passed and gone. Let the kindness that we found still be heard, still be shown. Ramadan, live in me beyond this month eternally. Not just days of fasting through, but a life that's pure